Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. This is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing. I'll make it with the glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and I'll try to unlock the device with the glasses. So let's see. 2, 3. As we can see, it does also work correct. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.